What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update your Roblox app on your Android phone. So you want to go ahead and find the Play Store on your phone, and you want to use a search at the bottom and type their Roblox in the search at the top. Once you search for Roblox, you will see it will show you right away if you have it installed. And so to check if there's an available update, you want to tap on it, and right here it will either say update, or of course if there's none it will say play. Now, I recommend that if you have Roblox on your phone and you want to check if there is an update, you can uninstall it directly from the Play Store and go ahead and install it again. And it's going to go ahead and ensure that it force download the latest version. However, you want to ensure that you have active internet connection, of course, on your phone. So if you have mobile data, ensure that you have mobile data turned on, or if you have Wi-Fi, ensure that you're connected to Wi-Fi, and you'll be able to download the latest version of Roblox. What I also recommend for you to do is, if you don't want to come and do this over and over again, you can click the three dots on the upper right hand side in your Play Store where you have the Roblox, and you can go ahead and enable the auto update. This is going to ensure that you have Roblox updated automatically in the background, and you don't have to do it over and over again when there's a new update released. And that's it, guys.